The world doesn't care about your circumstances. It doesn't care about your bad mood, your restless nights, or your broken heart. The world asks only one question: did you do what you promised to do? Or are you just another loud voice that faded with the first storm? Wake up. Stop hiding behind your excuses. Look in the mirror. The person you see staring back at you is either your greatest ally or your worst enemy. Today, I'm going to reveal the secret that's successful. People hide behind their confident smiles. The secret isn't passion. Passion is a liar. Passion is a feeling, and feelings are as unstable as the wind. Passion comes and goes like rain in the desert. The real secret is discipline, that's silent. Relentless beast that wakes up when everyone else is sleeping and works when everyone else is bored. Discipline is the only bridge between goals and accomplishment. It is the steady hand. Think about it. Why did that friend of yours, who is less talented than you, get further than you? Because they didn't wait for the mood. They worked while they were crying. They studied while they were exhausted. They trained while they hated the exercise. Meanwhile, you were waiting for inspiration. Let me tell you a bitter truth. The right moment is a fairy tale invented by the lazy to justify staying in bed. There is no perfect timing. There is only now or never. Talent without discipline is a tragic waste of resources. How many geniuses ended up as nobodies because they couldn't show up on time? Every winner was once a loser who decided to try one more time when it was hardest. Stop being a slave to your mood. If your mood decides when you work, you are not free. You are a prisoner to the weakest part of your brain. Discipline is true freedom. Forcing yourself to do the hard thing because you know it's the right thing. That is the ultimate definition of strength. When you say "I will" and then you actually do, you build a level of self-trust that no failure can shatter. Look at your dreams. Are they real? Or are they just wishes? Wishes are cheap, but dreams have a price, and that price is paid daily with your comfort and your sleep. You cannot have $1 million dream with a minimum wage work ethic. Ask yourself, is the version of you today worthy of the future you dream of tomorrow? If the answer is no, then change starts this very second. Put down your phone and go do that heavy thing you've been avoiding for weeks. The pain of discipline is a feather. The pain of regret is a mountain. Remember this, lions don't complain about hunger, they hunt. Winners don't complain about conditions, they create them. Be the discipline in a world of chaos. You are not what you say, you are what you do, repeatedly. Discipline is the highest form of self-love. It is you telling your future self, I care about you enough to work hard today. The decision is yours. The clock is ticking. Now, go out there and show the world who you really are.